little fish there. I wonder how they get in and out of these little pools, or when the water comes over, even to refill the pools. Because you got all these little pools of fish like this. All tilapia?
Mm.
Yeah, okay.
It's a CR, old CR.
Ah, okay.
Here, it's easy here.
Yeah, they must have had a house around here. Camera still on?
Hmm.
Gusto nga ng isda, manlakan mo ng isda.
Hmm?
Manlakan ng isda.
Madagko.
Parang dahil na.
I don't see any fish in that pool.
Dito lagi.
I don't see any in that one. Let me see the camera now.